Hey, you ain't seen us in a while, have you? It's Mr. Chubby and Miss Tammy. We've been out of commission for a bit. We had to move, we had work on our new house, and then we got in a pretty bad car accident. We ain't gonna talk about all that. We're just gonna say we're back, or kinda. We're getting there. We're not 100%. It's a long road, but we're gonna bring you some more tiny homes. It's springtime. We're at Phoenix Building Solutions in where? You guys already know. Greenville, Alabama. This is going to be a shorter video on this home because you have seen this model multiple times. This is a Vista 2.0. I think one of the very first ones we ever videoed of Phoenix was a Vista that was at
A to Z Homes.
A to Z Homes, I believe, over a year ago. So anyway, you've seen Vistas before. You'll recognize it as soon as you see these stairs that go up to the loft. This home was a customized home, so you're going to see some customizations in here that you haven't seen in Vistas before. That's really all this video is going to do. We're going to show you some of the customizations. You can see floor plans like the Vista, but you're not going to see this exact floor plan on their website. So anyway, big open area in here. The Vista, by the way, I have to have notes because we're filming so many. I'm sorry I have notes. 11 foot by 44 foot, 10 inches is the outside dimension. Includes that porch. Interior, your space is 10 foot wide by 36 foot long. Wall to wall, wall to wall. Those are your dimensions. And I'll put those in metric for you guys that are watching from out of the United States. Customization features in this home real quick with the Vista that were chosen by the customer, and then something happened. They decided they didn't want the house. The refrigerator has been moved. Normally right here there was a little counter you could have as a coffee bar or a desk or whatever you wanted. The refrigerator is moved here with a cabinet above. I think Tammy's already shown you the kitchen, but butcher block all the way around. And this one comes with the microwave cubby and your glass cooktop with the touch controls. And this is, I believe, an LG ThinQ. No, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. It's an Impava. Sorry about that, folks. Anyway, moving that refrigerator over there gives you this space here. We talked about this in one of those houses that was for sale by a private seller. They had done something similar and they had all this space, and you're like, well, what are you going to do with that? A closet, a desk, a bunk, whatever. But you've got this space, be great for a little dining cubby, or if you want to just set up a desk and eat in your living room. It's up to you. And you get this house has, of course, with the Vistas, they've been putting the pantry here. This one does not have doors. This is this unit only, okay? This is a customized unit, so if you buy this unit, the one we are showing you right now. And if you decide you want to buy this unit, but you live in New Mexico or wherever, then you want a closer look. Phoenix will come out here and take pictures of anything and everything. This one pretty much, I believe, has the standard Vista bathroom. Got your elongated toilet. The only difference here is it does not have your vanity. This one has a pedestal sink in it because the customer that ordered this home originally wanted a pedestal instead of a vanity. I would have opted in a tiny home to get some storage, but there's ways you can incorporate storage around those pedestals if you want to do that. And it's got your stand-up shower with the seat. One seat, inch. 48. Yeah, that's a 40. Here, let me take my tape measure, and I will prove it to you that it is a 48 inch. Yep, 48. What we would call in the industry a 48 inch. There you go. 48-inch shower unit. And that's a roomy bathroom. I mean, that's a big bathroom actually for a tiny home. It's wide. Now, again, the challenge with these Vistas, this is 24-inch door, so you might have a little challenge unless you got a narrow wheelchair. But plenty of space in there to navigate around the wheelchair, but just not the door space. Got the sliding barn style door for the bathroom. And there's a panel box behind this door. It's 150 amp service. You have your cubby for your stackable washer and dryer. Got a barn style door that I can't open here, but it's the same door as is on the bathroom. Barn style door, secured for transport. And then you get into your bedroom. And the cool thing, customization feature in this bedroom, extra entry door right here. This one I believe is going to be a 36-inch extra entry door. This one's one of those doors that has the blinds incorporated. And you've got your closets. These are not bifold. These are barn style sliding doors that would slide to close for your closet. But there's nothing behind here. If you remember the Vista, this wall terminates right behind here. So back here, you can look at some of the other videos of the Vista. You got a second mini split head unit in here, Dallas, what they're putting in. You've got your ceiling fan, and you've got two recessed lights, and your combination safety detector up there. And that is the home with all the customization features that I can remember that are in here. And remember, due to our auto accident, I don't really feel motivated to climb up those stairs and show you the loft, but you're more than welcome to look at the other vistas and look at the loft. The loft basically covers the area that's over the bathroom, the washer and dryer nook, and half of the kitchen. And those shelves, as we showed you in other vistas, the steps are incorporated to also be shelves in the stairs right here. So you can put some storage up under there and use the front as your tread. And you've got your handrail made out of rebar, very secure, wrap around the 2x4 like that, so it's not going anywhere. You're holding on to that if the kids are climbing up and down, whatever may be the case. And in the main room, of course, you've got 6 recessed lights and a ceiling fan. Lots of windows. I believe this is a customization feature. I'd have to look back at some of the other videos we have of the Vista 2.0, but this one has 3 windows here along this wall, and I think the other Vistas might only have the 2 in the front room. I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me on that. But this one has your tongue and groove unfinished walls inside, and your nice, these are almost a coffee or a mocha colored cabinet. And that's another customization feature they chose. I don't know if you picked it up in the video, but your lower cabinets are more of a light mocha, and these are darker on the top.
Aren't they gray?
Is that gray or is
That's
it my
gray
eyes?
down there.
Okay.
And then up here is
Yeah, this is the mocha, but it's just my eyes and the lighting. This gray almost looks like
looks like well, not really birch, like a dark birch.
Yeah, like a dark birch. But the cabinet above the refrigerator and the wall cabinet here is a darker cabinet, and the bottom cabinets are lighter cabinets. Full butcher block, double sink right here with a tankless water heater underneath. And that covers this home, guys. We just wanted to do this one quick for you. This is a Vista 2.0. This is right at 390 square feet. And as I told you, it's 11 foot by 44 foot 10. You get a great front porch that's finished in the wood on the front. And you get all this living space inside. You get a roomy bathroom, and you get a loft. So there you go. All right. Without further ado, we're going to move on to the next one. But I want to tell you, support us if you like this kind of content. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Every time we put up a video, you'll be notified. And you don't want to miss Mr. Chubb and Miss Tammy. But anyway, another way to support us, drop us a comment. If you like this home, let us know. If you don't like it, you think there's something you would change, whatever, you can go to Phoenix's website and you can check out all the customizations if you want to build your own home with them. You're not going to get it at this price when you start adding a bunch more customizations, but this home you get the benefit of somebody else's ideas if you like those ideas. The extra room here for dining or whatever you want to use it, a desk, all butcher block, refrigerator here instead with an upper cabinet, and a few other customizations, the different color cabinet combinations we've shown you, dual mini splits, so on and so forth. So enjoy looking at this home, enjoy watching us. Thumbs up, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We're going to see you on the next one. Thank you, guys.